Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about some clothes which we have and haven't worn in a long time, right? So think of those clothes in your cupboard which you haven't worn in, let's say, 6 months or more. One of the shirts I'm going to talk about today is this, right? So it's a regular, nice, bright, plain colored shirt. The good thing about this shirt is the front, right? It's a regular sleeveless button front open shirt, right? And there are two reasons why I don't wear it. This is the back, right? So the back has a weird hole. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought it. It's really old, so I'm just going to blame my age for that, right? So I mean, it's at least 6 years old and I've been just holding it, right? Another reason why I don't wear it is if you can see the seam here, right? So this is right at the front of the armhole, right? So these are the two reasons, right? And in these 6 years, I've probably worn it for like 4 or 5 times. So, I mean, it's time that, we should do something about it, right? So let me show you a quick kind of a play of what I'm going to do with this. One thing that I would suggest everyone is do not hesitate in doing anything with your garment because it's all about playing with fabric, right? And it's all about having some confidence and kind of giving it a new life. I mean, just think of it this way, that what was it doing in your cupboard in any case, right? So let's just get started.